Strawberries. Wow, Maisie. Okay, all done.
No.
No? Your mummy help?
No. No.
Okay. Good job. Oopsie. Okay. Mummy will watch from afar. Stop that.
Oh, you got it.
For me.
Thank you.
I have it back.
Something very important is happening in this video, and it is not about what the child is doing. It is about what the mother is not doing. Most parents would step in and say, "Enough, let me do it," or "You are making a mess." And that's where children begin to stop trusting their own abilities. Because what looks like help to us feels like being taken over for a child. What I really appreciated about this mother was how intentionally she stayed back. Every time the child said no, that no was respected. Yes, it took time. Yes, it was messy. The strawberries were falling, the floor was spilling all over. But learning doesn't happen in speed. Learning happens when the child feels trusted. There was no rushing, no correcting, no taking over. The mother stayed present, supportive, not controlling. And that allowed the child to learn. When I start something, I can finish it, and I have an adult who believes in me. Another part that might make parents uncomfortable is the glassware. Our instinct is to remove all the risk. But here, the risk wasn't removed, it was managed. The child wasn't left alone, the adult was right there. This is how children learn age-appropriate risk-taking, not by being protected from everything, but by being guided through real life. What looks simple to us, pouring, holding, transferring, is actually complex for a baby. In this one activity, the child is building fine motor skills, coordination, focus, sensory awareness that is learning through all the 5 senses. And the most beautiful part comes at the end. She serves what she has made to her father. There's pride, there's sharing. The father shares it back. She tastes and offers it back again. This isn't just cooking. This is emotional development in real life. What this experience teaches the child is lasting. I can make decisions and I can stand for it. I can struggle and still complete what I start. My voice matters, and giving is a part of who I am. When parents trust the process, children don't just learn the skills. They build confidence, resilience, and emotional security. If this kind of parenting feels hard, you're not doing it wrong. It is hard, but don't worry, I've got your back. Follow me for more.